Tonight we are going to make a quarantine special with the item that we have in our house, and that's a Havari Mahi, sort of Iran, or tuna rice dish. And there is a one pot, add chopped onion for sauteing it, chopped garlic, some pepper. Then we add some spices, turmeric, curry powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, black pepper, some chopped celery, cilantro, actually, and just mix them together. Some fenugreek, dry fenugreek, 2 cans of tuna, add a little bit of olive oil. Drain the washed rice and dal, which is a red lentil, to the rest of the ingredients. A little bit more olive oil. Put the 2 tomatoes crushed and 1 can of pinto bean. A little bit of salt to your taste. Put them together and some more water, not to go over. Some dry dill, and put them for 35 minutes, and voila, here we go.